In this quick video, I'll show you how to link Epic Games account to Marvel Rivals. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel to help me reach 1000 subscribers. Now to link or connect our Epic Games account, we just need to search here Marvel Rivals on any of our browser. I am using Google Chrome here. Once you search here Marvel Rivals game, then just scroll down and you will see this Marvel Rivals website. We need to click on it. After that, it will load the website for us. And now here we will see this login option. Click on it. After that, it will load these new options for you. Here we need to select Epic Games from these options. As you can see, this is Epic Games Store. Just click on it. After that, it will load the Epic Games website. And here we just need to fill our credentials, just like our email address, password. If you don't have Epic Games account, then just tap on create account. And now from here you can create your Epic Games account and your account will be linked to your Marvel Rivals. Now if I was a big help, can you please subscribe my channel and like this video. For now, thanks for watching.